Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Do you think English is difficult? If your answer is yes, then this video is for you. Today we will do very easy English practice. No grammar, no difficult words, just simple English. Listen carefully, repeat after me and speak loudly. Let's start. Repeat after me. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? I am fine. I am good. I am great. Nice to meet you. Have a nice day. See you soon. Take care. Goodbye. Excellent. Now let's make a conversation. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Have a nice day. You too. Now let's introduce ourselves. Repeat after me. My name is Alan. I am from UK. I am a student. I am learning English. I like reading books. I like music. I like traveling. I want to speak English confidently. English is important. I practice every day. I never give up. Now together. Hello, my name is Alan. I am from UK. I am learning English. Nice to meet you. Very good. Repeat slowly. Come here. Sit down. Stand up. Open the door. Close the door. Please wait. Listen carefully. Speak slowly. Speak again. I don't understand. Can you help me? Thank you. You are welcome. Excuse me. Sorry. No problem. Let's go. Come with me. It's okay. Don't worry. Well done. Now one more time. Speak with confidence. Let's practice. Question. What's your name? My name is Alan. Question. Where are you from? Answer. I'm from UK. Question. How old are you? Answer. I am 20 years old. Question. What do you do? Answer. I am a student. Question. Do you like English? Answer. Yes, I do. Question. Why are you learning English? Answer. Because I want to speak confidently. Answer. Excellent. Listen first, then repeat. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm fine. And you? I'm good. What is your name? My name is Jax. Where are you from? I'm from Paris. What do you do? I am a student. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Very easy. Practice this conversation every day. Now repeat these positive sentences. I can speak English. I am improving every day. I am confident. I am not afraid of mistakes. Practice makes me better. I will never quit. I can do it. Excellent. Great job. If you practiced with me today, you are already improving. Remember, don't just watch English, speak English. Practice for 10 minutes every day and you will become more confident. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to the channel and share it with a friend who wants to learn English. I'll see you in the next English practice session. Take care and keep speaking English every day.